Kwikset presents How to Set or Reset the Code on Your Zinc Lock. Applicable for SKUs 90, 260, 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, and 205. Set the lock to the factory default combination 0000. Push down the shackle to open the lock. Then, move the reset switch down. Turn the dials to your desired 4-digit combination. Release the reset switch. Your new combination is now set. Check to see if the new combination works. To lock, scramble the dials and close the shackle. To reopen, dial your combination and depress the shackle. You can repeat this process anytime you want to change your combination. Kwikset, security made convenient.